Good afternoon, all of you. This is our spectrometer. It is having three parts. This is the first part, collimator. It is second part, the prism table, and this is third part, the telescope. Let us go to the initial adjustment of this spectrometer. You have to turn the telescope to distant object. വളരെ ദൂരെയുള്ള ഒബ്ജക്റ്റിൽ ഫോക്കസ് ചെയ്യാം, ഒബ്ജക്റ്റ് ക്ലിയർ ആക്കാം. So that is distant object adjustment. Now bring the collimator in line with the light source. ഇവിടെ light source ഉണ്ട്. ഈ light source ൽ ഇങ്ങനെ ലൈറ്റ് വരുന്നുണ്ട്. ആ ലൈറ്റ് നാരോ ആയിട്ട് കിട്ടുന്ന പോലെ അറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്യാം. Now bring the telescope in line with the collimator. You can see the slit. So here we have fixed the collimator in line with telescope using this pan. Now we have two vernier readings. This is vernier 1 and it can be treated as vernier 2 or vice versa. One vernier is having 0 coinciding with 180 degree and the other vernier is having 0 coinciding with 0 degree. So both the verniers have a difference of 180 degree. There are 30 divisions on this vernier and the one main scale division is half degree. So the least count of this vernier, that is half degree divided by 30, which is 1 minute. Next is to rotate the telescope by 90 degree. So just unclamp this and rotate it by 90 degree. Now it has rotated by 90 degree. We are rotating this by 90 degree. Or you can rotate to this side as well. To whichever side possible you can rotate. So now the reading changes. Here the reading is 90 degree and there the reading is 270 degree. Now you have to insert the grating. This is a grating. Grating is having 15,000 lines per inch. Into here it is written as 15,000 lines per inch. So that is to be inserted. After inserting this, get a reflected image of the slit. Here you have the slit opening through which light comes, and you have to get the reflected image of the slit using this grating in the telescope. Now, next is to unclamp the vernier table, and rotate this farther by 45 degrees. Rotate this farther by 45 degrees. So previously it was 90, now I made this as 135. So that makes 45 degree rotation. Now you can see that this is normal to the incident ray. Now we have arranged the grating for normal incidence. So that is the use of rotating further by 45 degrees. Now you can unclamp the telescope and you can view the spectrum. When you keep it straight, you will get white light. But when you move to left side or right side, you will see all the colored fringes. We are getting colored fringes because here we have white light. White light is being used. So we get colored fringes. So you can just move the telescope and observe the color fringes. Okay. And the order will be same. From white light if you observe, from straight reading if you observe, towards this side you have Vibgyor. Red will be at the farthest end. And from this side also Vibgyor. Red will be at the farther end. Now you have to take the reading of green on both the sides. And the angle between the two readings of green will give you 2 theta. From that you can find out theta. And then we will do the calculations. Okay.